checkpoint 12.2.6, question B. So if you look at here, we have main methods. Then we have a try and catch, and then we are repeating certain things using for loop that make more sense than question A. So let's try. Okay, when I equal to 0, it's going to print 0 with one space. Then here you cannot divide by 0, so it's arithmetic exceptions. So here's the exceptions. We don't do anything at this point, so we are going to terminate the program here, and then here, and then here. So we are never going to reach for I equal to 1. Okay, so we're going to have only one output 0. Okay, that's it. So here is the 0. Thank you.